Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to explore Moon and Mars with Google Earth. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in googleearth.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, which you can do by going in through your email or Google account. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have the file, view, add, tools and help, and you also have the search bar which you can go and click on here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and explore Moon, Mars with Google Earth. So first of all, download Google Earth Pro. So if you don't have already, have it download and install Google Earth Pro from the official website. So for this, you will need a Pro version. Then open Google Earth Pro and launch the application on your computer. Switch to Moon or Mars view. In the top toolbar, click the planet icon. It looks like Saturn. From the drop-down menu, select either Moon or Mars. Then explore the surface. Use the navigation tool to zoom in and out and move around the surface. Click on various markers to learn more about specific locations, missions, and features. Layers and information then. On the left-hand side, you can find layers to toggle and off, such as historical maps, space surf and imagery, and more. For Mars, you can explore layers like rovers and landers. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.